dear friends! Welcome to Reading Adventure. My name is Teacher Zella, and today we're going to have so much fun with a very special letter. Can you guess what letter it is? It is the letter C. Now, let's explore all the cool things we can do with the letter C. Are you ready? Let's go! The letter C represents the K sound. How to make the K sound, teacher? To make it, open your mouth a little and put your tongue toward the back of your throat, like this. Then, release the air without using your voice. Now, let's practice the sound K. Again, K. Can you do it? Very good. You can also say the K sound in a quick burst, like this. K. Great job. Can you do that again? Very good. Now, children, let's try a word example. Say the word K, cat, slowly and listen to the sound of the letter K at the beginning. Practice saying K, K, cat. And notice how the back of your tongue moves when you make that sound. Can you try it? Say the word K, cat. Can you do it? Go. Very good. Can you do it again? Excellent. Excellent, students. Now, let's have another word example. The K sound can also be heard at the beginning of the words like K, cup, K, cow, and K, car. Can you say those words? Very good. The second one? Excellent. And the last word that starts with the letter C? Very good.
Hi there, friends. My name is Naif. Now, can you think of another word that starts with letter C? I have an idea. How about caterpillar? Now, let's practice these words that start with letter C, but with a twist, by singing. I'm going to sing it first, then you follow. Let's start. Corn,
Corn,
cow,
cow,
cabbage,
cabbage,
cookie.
cookie.
Very good. Now, let's use the letter C in a little story with Teacher Ruffa Mae. Go, go, go!
Thank you, Teacher Naif. Hi, dear friends. My name is Teacher Ruffa. And now, we're going to use the letter C in a little story. Are you guys ready? Okay, the first one is the cat has a cup. One more time. The cat has a cup. So the second one is the cat has a cup. One more time. The cat has a cup.
Hi, dear children. Today, I am with Teacher Ruffa and Teacher Naif. So, we're going to sing a song. Sing along with us. Are you ready, teachers?
Ready.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. The cat with a hat sat on the mat, on the mat, on the mat. The mat was fat. Imagine that, imagine that, imagine that. The cat with a hat sat on the mat, on the mat, on the mat. The mat was flat. Imagine that, imagine that, imagine that. Good job, students! Great job singing with us, children. Now, can you think of another word that rhymes with the word cat? Let's try. The B says B, the B says B. Every letter makes a sound. The B says B. B is in the word bat. Very good.
Let's have another one. The R says R, the R says R. Every letter makes a sound. The R says R. R as in the word rat.
Thank you, Teacher Naif. And now, let's have another word that rhymes with the word cat. The M says
The M says Every letter makes a sound. The M says
M as in the word mat.
Wow! We learned so much today. We practiced the letter C, blended with words, and even made rhymes.
Remember, reading is like a superpower. It takes practice, but you're doing amazing.
Keep exploring words with letter C, and we will see you next time.
Bye for now!